Hi, this is Laura Simpson from Web Luminary here with a quick tip on how to add video to your website. And more specifically, how to add a YouTube video to your website. And this is what I recommend. This is what I recommend you do, and this is what I do for my clients. So when a client sends me a video and they want me to embed it on their website, instead of just putting it on their website, what I do is I create a YouTube channel for them. And, or if they already have a YouTube channel, I just make sure that that video is uploaded to it. And then I link to it, or I embed it into the website. So there's some advantages to this. There's a couple disadvantages, but I think the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. First, I'm checking my notes. First, the Google owns YouTube. So it is another place where people can search and find out more about you. So it's sort of like another search place. And another thing is that YouTube is now hosting the video. So instead of you taking up bandwidth and also hosting space on your website, YouTube is hosting it. And also YouTube is a video player. So they've already figured out how to get a video to play on all types of devices. So it looks fine on the phone, looks fine on your desktop, looks fine on Samsung, Mac, PC, doesn't matter. So the other thing is that when it's playing on YouTube, not only is it optimized and not taking up storage, it's actually more likely that it's faster. Not more likely, it is going to be faster. So if it's faster and not taking forever to load and not timing out, that means the people who are coming to your website to view the video actually get to see it. That's kind of the point. So I have a gym that I go to that's one of my favorite gyms, and I noticed that half the time when I went to their homepage, and you need to go to the homepage if you need to sign up for a class, they had a video that automatically played. And sometimes when I was at home, it would play, sometimes it wouldn't play. It's actually kind of annoying. So that's one thing I would say is to stay away from, is don't have your video autoplay. Have it where the user has to click to play it. I don't know. I'm sure you all have read news on your computer, and then you're just reading along, clicking on WRAL, which is a local station, and all of a sudden, boom, video starts playing. It's really annoying. So you don't want to have a bad user experience on your website. So make sure that your video doesn't automatically play, and by default it doesn't. But if you are linking to it from YouTube, but if you embed it in your website, you can set it up one way or the other. And if it's set to automatically play, what will happen is that your website, if coded incorrectly, which a lot of them are, it's forcing the whole video to download before it plays, before the rest of the website is downloaded. And sometimes they just see a blank screen. So then they think your website's broken, or they click away. So if you're going to put videos on your website, put them on YouTube, link to them, or you can also use Vimeo, Vimeo, and they're another good source, but they're not owned by Google, but they do have a ad-free version that's $7 a month. So that's the one con. But let me switch my screen over and you can see how to do it. It's really easy. And I'm going to add it to my WordPress website, but you can add it to any website and you can kind of see what it looks like. So here is my YouTube channel, and here's a video that I have, I did for my website challenge. And so if I want to add this, all I have to do is hit share. And I can hit copy, and then the link is there. So now I'm going to go to my website, and I'm going to edit the post. And this post actually already has a video on it, so I'm just going to show you what it does. And see, even in edit mode, this isn't taking that long. And then you can hit add video, insert from URL, paste the URL, boom, there's my video. I'm actually going to delete this because I don't want this here, but you can see how easy it is. The other thing you can do is I'm going to hit share again, and I'm going to hit embed. So if whatever website builder you're using does not allow you to just input a link into YouTube, which I think it should, this is another option, which is to copy this code and then switch over. And then I'm going to add an HTML block. And then I'm going to save this. My little screen is, my Zoom screen is hiding it. And it's saving. But again, I have not gone into WordPress, uploaded the video, and then linked to it. This is, I'm linking to YouTube. So this is the difference, and this is what I recommend. So we're going to preview this. I've actually never done this before. I'll do it with a link, and here it is. Here's the video. So that's it. That's all you have to do. If you're wondering how to do a video, I've done another video on how to do a video on Zoom, which is what I use. There's a lot of video tools out there. I just, I like Zoom because I can change my background and not have to worry about how big the mess is. And they have a free version, and their video is reliable. So that's it for today. And thanks again, and take care. Bye-bye.